microwave came in today. We have literally been without a microwave for the past like 2 weeks. Our last one decided to stop heating things, so we had to get a new one. Microwave. I love it. Thank you, Pooh Bear.
You're welcome.
Hi guys, so this morning people are coming to get my 110 because we're selling it. I'm gonna be really sad. I have so many memories on it.
You had a lot of good times on it, huh?
Yeah, we had a lot of good times.
But it's gonna be going to a new family and they're gonna take good care of it and do all kinds of fun things with it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. You've had this for, gosh,
like when,
2 years, huh?
Yeah, and then my mom and dad surprised me with this 110.
You're getting kind of big for it now though, huh?
Yeah, so I'm gonna get,
You're gonna get a 125?
a 125 Yamaha or a
Honda. Hey guys, what's up? Today is a super crazy busy day. We actually just got our microwave installed. We haven't had a microwave for the past 2 weeks. And then Nathan is actually selling his 110 Honda today. We have somebody coming over to pick it up. And so we are waiting, and then we have a couple other exciting things that we've got going on today.
Hi guys, we're going camping.
Hey, so we're checking in. We got all of our stuff loaded.
We're getting
up.
gas.
We're getting gas. All good to go, and we're gonna hit the road.
So you see this?
Yes.
Watch this.
Okay.
If this dinosaur, it is. What dinosaur is it?
That is awesome.
Alright, so you have like a dinosaur, like a Stegosaurus. So guess what you can do? Download on this iPad the Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom, and then you can go like do like that, or you can push back. And this is in the Raptor.
So Cody's got this cool new game on his iPad that you can scan dinosaurs, and it tells you what they are.
Hi guys!
Hey guys, how are you?
We are going camping!
great.
We're almost there and enjoying the ride. Hey guys, so we made it. We're at the camp and the boys are already asleep. We got here a little late and so we're getting ready for bed, and we just wanted to check in and tell you guys we made it, and we're so excited for this awesome weekend. We can't wait to share with you guys our Detmers adventures. We hope you guys have a great night. Make sure to give this video a great big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.